Hello. In this video I'm going to show you what a regular week worth of work looks like, or at least how to access it. You're going to log into eCentennial and click on Content. Within Content, you see weekly folders here down the side. Note week 1 is split into week 1A and week 1B. Week 1A is the orientation stuff, which you are working through right now. Week 1B is the first section of content. For Pearson content, which is Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, which begins in week 3, you're going to click the weekly folder, load the web page, and you will see a list of graded activities. Only the simulation exams are graded. The rest are practice for doing them and videos that will show you how to do things. To find the content that maps to this list, you're going to click on the Pearson link and log in and access that weekly module. For details on that, see the logging in to Pearson MyLab video. Take care. Good luck.